so cute. Okay. This has to be my favorite. Nice. And that's it. You are my gift some now, guys, from my lovely people. Yo, accept my pants. So darling.
Yeah, good.
Oh. Hi. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So most of the people say, Buti, when you are here, you are now part of me. You are my family. So welcome, family. I hope you enjoy this video. First and foremost, I just want to thank everyone for the gifts. So this video is about unboxing my gifts. I have a lot of gifts, guys. Yeah, I just hope this is okay. So we first got nappies. We got nappies from Daddy Linda's nappy shower, and then it was nappies and wipes. And then we had the first baby shower. That was on the 21st of March, organized by my lovely sister Ngwebo, working together with Utumi, my friend. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. It was beautiful. It was amazing. I'll share a few pictures with you guys, but no, actually I'll share a video of the baby shower. Yeah. And then after that, I got my gifts again from Orlando South mothers and sisters. Bang it, boo, get baby shower again. Guys, it was beautiful. Shame, I don't want to lie. So I just want to say, before I start with the unboxing, I want to thank each and every person who showed up. Being pregnant is no joke, honey. But when you have a support structure, when you have a family, when you have a supportive partner, when you have friends, supportive colleagues, it becomes a smooth journey. So this for me was a smooth journey because of all of you guys. You made it to be extra beautiful and extra amazing, extra memorable. Yeah, so before everything else, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I really love you so much, and I appreciate the gifts. So let's get on it. Number one, okay, this one this I got. This was actually for my birthday. So to me, bought this for me for my birthday, so it was a birthday gift. But then we, let's say, baby shower together with amanyama gifts. Yeah, so umuntu ikhaphi yakhe esandleni. Ikhaphi yakho esandleni, girl. I love it so much. And here's ukuthi uphuza amanzi noma ungafunda, ngithi niyazi lento le ukuthi house re o utlona metsi le house anyora ke unyora ke eng. So the first gift I got, which I feel, hello guys, Kacimanga. Uyenze baba ukuthi ihlale sakho. Hello. Welcome family. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So before we start with anything, because you wanted this video so much, you wanted me to do a video of myself unboxing the gifts, and I said shabu. So before we go anywhere, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tata leyo phone kumalume, subscribe. Gogo, subscribe, ne? So yeah, thank you so much. If you are back, then I really appreciate your support, guys. Who is if your business? So I will start with this one, guys. This one, my Crocs, as you can see. And isn't that as original? Yes, Anna. Original stuff. I need to have one. No more, guys. I get a labona. More. It's written. I love tea. And then mom, guys. So I got these Crocs from my hubby. I'm Crocs because I am a mom to be, and he was like, baby, these are for you. So yeah, this is the first gift I'm actually unwrapping with you guys. I love it so much, and I know I'll forever keep it in my heart. Guys, I'm Crocs. Too late for you. So this is the first one. Yeah. Gift number 2. I have this one. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so I'm not sure what to I'm not sure, but this is a bag. So nice. You know what? It's actually very nice, guys. Quality stuff. This actually feels so good. No? I'm coming. Let me check. I have this one over here. This is a deluxe baby bottle. Ain't niyabona. Enjoy bath time. Ooh, I get the gift. Because she also left her shoes to me. You left your shoes here. So thank you, friend. Thank you so much. Love this gift so much. Yeah, excellent space. And then we have this one over here. So nice. Very cute. Ah. A little Rabby. Rabby. This is beautiful. And then there's also a gift card. Oh, guys. How nice is this? Gift card. Gift card. How much do you want me to say? Ooh, that's a lot of money. Lucky you. That's a lot of money. Umnikazi akabhalanga igama naye niyabona guys leteni ungabhala amagama Tambora straight. Thank you so much, Anonymous. Thank you. Next we have this one over here. Another one. This one. It's toy, guys. It's a military toy. Military equipment toy. Sesimele usakhuleke. Azokwazi ukulala nge-helicopter yakhe. Helicopter. Angazi ngoba la bantwana sebakhuliswa ukhokho menoma guys. Ama-toys. And then also got wipes. Ooh, nice one. A pack of wipes. Very nice. Thank you. Woo. Sazohlala nje singawathengi ama-wipes guys. Ngiyezwa kuthiwa ama-wipes ayi-necessity kule department ayasebenza. Yo, akusagcwalanga ke. Alright. And then I have this. Oh baby. It's not written ukuthi iphuma yaphi. Saki, my socks. And then another one. Beautiful. Ooh, and yeah guys, the nice part is that a newborn sonje. Wow. Is more beanies. Thank you guys, Gemini. Woolworths. Most of the gifts are our Woolies, guys. Oh, there. Oh, and then there's someone who thought of me as well. What's mommy? You deserve something now. Ta-da! Look at this. Isn't this cute, guys? Ngizoleni ngirestile ngizifunela ngifunda futhi I bought myself a book. Habits of a godly woman. So ngizohlala la and then bese ngiyayifunda incwadi yami. Inflatable sofa. So nje yo ay ke namutho kuyawujwetsa angeke ungenze nikuske ngitshela. This is beautiful for the mommy, for the mom. Nice one. And then last but not least, I have this Woolies Babes. So this one, okay guys, you save the best for last, Akiri. Don't get best, guys. Mara this one, okay, Ipumak family. So this is with love, Uncle Lula and family. Uncle Lou, thank you so much, Uncle Lou. Look at this, guys. Oh, guys, another fleece, another blanket. Isn't this beautiful? It says smile all day. Wow, wow, wowza. Exclusive to Woolies, of course. Hey, la good guys. Galo. We have my best way too. Happy me. 1. Yes. Yeah. Another one. 2, 3. I love the colors actually. Mahle. Hey. Thank you so much, Hochi family. I love. And yes, good. Liz. Choose a Luyolo. We'll choose a Liz. It can never be the parents. I know Luyolo has a choice. And then we have this blanket. Ooh. So warm. Blanket for my baby. Yeah. So it was this number 1, and then it goes with the what? With the blanket. It's a fleece blanket. Yeah. So this is beautiful. Thank you. I love the gift, and I know the baby's gonna love it as well. Okay, let me try to be quick. Gift number 3. I have this one here. Keep smiling. Do we have a name? Oh, this is from Zianda. Sis Zianda. Thank you. So we also have another one. We have a blanket again. Different color, thank God. So it's a blanket, guys. Lana. Happy moments with mommy. What happened to daddy? I actually love this color. It's so beautiful, different, and it accommodates both umfana and ntombazane. So yeah, love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then on the same bag, I have this onesie. Oh, isn't this cute? Guys, pegala. Yo, guys, no ways. I can't wait. I can't wait to hold my baby. This is beautiful. Thank you so much again, Sister Ziander. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So let's see, this is oh, okay, it's not written. I wanted to check if it's, that looks like it's 3 to 6 months. Next. Little. Guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's time that I gift it. We need to get out the issue. But today, it's all as a gift. I really wanted this for my baby. Thank you so much. Also not written, guys. Why didn't I gift them secret admirers? No ways. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So Lena, as you can see, it's for the fingerprints, and also you can do with the toes as well. Nice. Love it. Love it. And then I also got this Plush Bubble Snuggle Pillow. Ooh, guys, I should, you know what? But consider me 2 heads are better than one. Some of the things I'm using this change, I mean, on my own, really. So this was from Umamgomo, together with this one. Woo. Together with this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Ooh. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gift number. Oh. Oh, betunana guys, angeke. These are so cute. Wow, size 2, guys. Oh, sisibona ukuthi kubhaliwe. Akubhalwanga futhi igama. It goes with this. Ooh, this is so nice. It's 6 to 9 months, which is very much perfect. 6 to 9 months. Angithi nampona nje uzobe esefakile nje. Hi guys, I'm gift ayahlanyisa ngashem. Ivest yakhe nje. Guys, uLinda ukangithi ngiyahlanyisa ngiyambona. Wenza ngathi akanginakanga makunginakile. Ucabanga ukuthi. So thank you. Ayibhalanga igama unfortunately, so I don't even know ukuthi ngizothi thank you bani, but thank you so much. Next I have this one. Paperback sana, it's written with love. Narki. From Mrs. Ntokolo. Thank you. Oh, finally, sathola umuntu obhala igama lakhe ke. From Mrs. Ntokolo. Oh, how cute is this beanie? Ooh, guys. Hi. Yazi ngathi ngizohlanya ekhanda. Hayi ngeke. One. And then, oh, it's Nana. Two. Eighth child. Guess one. Labels. Systems undenza ntoni mara eh? Oh, shame. Let me look at the. So this is 3 to 4 years, and I think it's perfect. Niyabona abantu abacabangela i-future mos. Uyayibona? These are very, very, very nice. I love them. Systems, ngiyabonga uyidlalile. Umntana nje angeke yazi winter because of you. Next, I have this one. This one, I hope it's written, Gasan. Oh. It's written to little Hochi from Nanana. Thank you. Isn't this cute? Ooh, guys, I feel so overwhelmed. Look at this. Ooh, a little bow tie there. I love it. Thank you, sis Nanana. Next, I have this one. Ayibhalwanga, no name. Oh. I guess izoqoqa umuntu le. Aha, wema, newborn ne. Newborn. Ha. Together with just eat. Ain't never. Ashem. Ngentela. Ayike menze things mntanami. Ha. Thank you. Angazi why ngabhalanga igama. Why? Another one. I have this one. Igama akubhalwanga. Guys, niyabona mara. Love it. And then, oh, my beeps. I have 2 beeps here. Beautiful, beautiful. Another fleazy. Another fleazy, another fleazy. Oh, ooh, this is so warm. Very warm. Excuse my behavior. I'm just excited. Ooh, beautiful. Thank you. Guys, next time, guys. This is not right. And then I have another one. Another one. Another one. Let's check if Upalili Kama. Yes, finally. Palile. So we have this one from Umabongi Magakawe. Thank you, Magakawe. Ooh, beautiful stuff. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Isn't this cute? I say it. I say it. And it also has image never change. Oh wow, how thoughtful of you, girl. Oh, this is beautiful. I love. Thank you so much, Mama. Oh, waphinde futhi wathi ga on top. Oh, guys, Ilona. She also got me these. Oh, shame. Oh, so phakathi kune. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, but anyways, there's is it Aqua's cream or Vaseline? There's Aqua's cream or Vaseline, I'm not sure. I have Ama baby earbuds. There's the bath towel, and then there's also Ama wipes. Wow, this is a beautiful pack actually. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, Magakawe. I love my gifts. Boom. So guys, the one thing about the baby shower, this is where now you see. Oh, this one. There's this one. Ibaliwe? I'm not sure. Ibalanga. No name. It's a baby head cushion. Ooh. This is a baby head cushion. This was very much thoughtful because so at least it's good bag again. Magawa safe. Thank you. But I remember Umqapheli told me he got me this. So thank you, Umqapheli. I really love my gift. It's actually not mine, but it's mine. So yeah, it's nice. Very nice. Next I have this one over here. This one. It's written finally. Yeah. I hope you guys can see. So it's written, congratulations on your bundle of joy tops from Linda. Thank you, Sis Linda. Oh, guys. Ooh. Guys. I need to, we have this. What's the, it's a, Jane. Baby. This blanket. Am I good to get? Is it a snuggle blanket or what?
Kitsch.
Eh? I forgot the name, but I know it's good together. Then you can just use this blanket over here. It's actually very beautiful. I just forgot to this one, but I'm a first-time mom, so you can't blame me for such things. We also have, oh, this is warm. Ooh. I love. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Linda. I'm in love with the gifts, guys. This has just casting a thing. Oh, there's another one. Is it written? Yes. This is from Auntie Andy. Auntie Andy Swam Dunge. Thank you, Auntie. Oh, guys. Shame. Nine choice. Jealous down. Nine choice. What's Nine choice? Look at this. We have a hat, beep, and this vest over here. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Wow, this is beautiful. Even the color, I love it. I love the color. The color. There's another one over here. Ay palanga ke sana nayo. So angas good see. Oh, silk bottle rack. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. So now which you can take ideas. Why my baby shower one. Okay, I'm just saying. Guys. Thank you. This is very nice. I already have I think this is one of the reasons why I didn't buy the whole set, because I wanted to buy that set here to me TV that also has those things, but then I decided to buy my bottles in Pella, so I just have to get myself a sterilizer and then I'm sorted. Never. There's another gift. ayile ivalwe. Nayi. Yes, I hope it's written with my pick. I just hope. This is so warm. Atman. Plus, winter long. This is a winter baby, so we need as much warm clothes as possible. Thank you. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much. And then this one, guys, this one is so much special to me. It's very much special. Because ngithengele abantwana bami, guys. Feziwe enilungile bangithengela cabanga nje. So yeah, it's close to my heart, really. My learners, oh, they got me bottles. I really. I get benze igrosa labantwana, guys. Ngasibe nelist yasesibhedlela. My beeps. And then they got me these. This is so nice. Beautiful. And then I also you guys. Hayi bathenga nabantwana. Bathengile abantwana. Niyangibukisa yini? And then they also got me speakers. Yeah. Oh guys, hi shame. Hamba nofundisa nani ngizothola izinto eziright. Last but not least, there's this cute blankie over here. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Manzana. I really appreciate you guys. You are amazing. And then I got this. Ooh. Guys, this is beautiful. Sister Bucho, Sister Nabisa, Mamboya. Thank you. As you said, I'm going to love it. Oh, this is beautiful. Istulo. Guys. So yo, hayi nidlalile shem. Masekakhulile sekakwazi ukuzidlalela azidlele. Woo! Love it. Love. And then I have 2 more gifts. I have this one. It's written at least all the best in your new journey. Welcome to the most ghetto hood. Ooh. Thank you for the warm welcome. It's ghetto. Yeah, you're not the only one. You're not the first person to say. How cute is this? Yay! And there's this cute blankie. Very cute blanket. I also have vest ke sana. Niyabona yini? I love my gifts. I love my gifts. I don't even know what if nagubani. And then I have this smiley face. Smiley face. This Totoja from Z. Thank you, Mama Gatando and Tantando. Yeah. Let's see anyone. Oh, guys, I am man. This is beautiful. Beauty. Oh, another blankie. Oh, Aisha, so warm like hi. So warm, exclusive to Woolies. Woo, this is beautiful. The color and everything, it's just beauty. Thank you very much. I love it. So there's another one. Actually, I will make it a short, guys. Guys, so when they say get pregnant, gulelwa, get married, shonelwa, then that is when you will see abantu abacalanga ukuthi abobani kahle because sometimes you walk with people ungazi ukuthi abobani. Just to find out when things like this happen, that's when you get to know people. That's when you get to realize, oh, I thought Kati usele umani uyatotha lapho. So you must have people in your corner. And I believe with the things that I've mentioned are the ones that will help you or make you realize, do you really have people in your corner? Do you have people ungarelaya, or you just walking this journey with people but alone at the same time? So me personally, this journey showed me which I have a lot of people in my corner. I'm not alone. And even after giving birth, I know I'm not alone. I have people who are going to support me, people who are going to help me when I need help, babysitting, emotional support, everything. So Izanda's really kind of, guys. I'm very much grateful, and this is just the beginning of everything actually. Before Ama gifts and everything, love. So it's how much people love you and how much they want the best for you. I come to the lawyer. So Sanjay I come to the lawyer, guys. No ways. People want the best for you. That's one thing I've realized. So I'll sing it. Okay, no girl. Stanley Samless, especially made for me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Give 120 followers. Please push me to 200 or 300 so we can celebrate. But so far, people are trying by all means to do justice. Shame. Follow, guys, follow so you can see more of these videos. Thank you. Bye.